you can actually suck the air out of them and keep things fresher for a long time. There's the vacuum sealer right there. There's the hole. You put that on, turn it on, easy breezy. So now what I want to show you is that I already did my carrots to keep them fresher longer. So now I'm going to open the bag, let the air out, and then show you that you can easily reseal it. Pretty cool. One of the things that I have learned about doing this is making sure that stuff is basically flat, like not stacked up upon one another. You can do that, but it just makes it so that you can get the air out easier when you don't have it like that. So I'm going to take a couple out and I'm going to show you in another video what I do with my KitchenAid mixer and my shredders. So cool. So there's my carrots. I'm going to have to wash them. The bags come with a little clip like this, and I am not selling anything, trust me. This is just something that I found online because a friend of mine had one, had a big party, had lots of food left over, got one of these for Christmas, and was able to save 90% of the food from going bad. Fruit, nah, not so much. But anyways, so what you do, you put the clip on the edge of the bag, and you squeeze it and pull. And then I always double check to make sure it's completely sealed. Then flatten it. Like I said, make sure your carrots are reasonably flat if you can. Not doing it right now, but anywho, so this one comes with a cup on the bottom of it. So if you were to do meat, it actually absorbs or sucks up the liquid, blood, whatever you want to call it, and then you can clean this easily. So I don't use it when I'm just sealing for vegetables because there's no water or anything you have to deal with. So what you do is little plastic piece here, there's a hole in the center, lay that down, line it up, turn it on, hopefully you can see that, and it's sucking the air out. So now I can put these back in the fridge and they'll stay fresher for a lot longer. When it's done, it shuts itself off. Coolest thing ever. Love this thing. Anywho, found it on Amazon. It's called Giraffy Co. Wasn't very expensive, under $100. Got 30 bags, 10 of each, small, medium, large. Awesome. Anywho, not here to sell it. So with that said, I want to show you that again, they're sealed up. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day.